Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix the network problem on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now to do that, first of all, just make sure that the SIM card is inserted properly in your Samsung phone. For that, just use the SIM card ejection tool, which comes with your smartphone in the box, or you can use any SIM card ejection tool. Then insert the SIM card ejection tool in the SIM card tray hole at the side of your smartphone, just like that. Now just extract the SIM card tray from your smartphone. And from here, just make sure that the SIM card is inserted properly in the SIM card tray. After that, just insert the SIM card tray back into your smartphone. Then go to your home screen and reboot your smartphone. For that, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. In the control center, just tap on the power icon, then select restart. After your smartphone finishes rebooting, just check if this fixes your issue or not. If this did not fix your issue, then open Settings and tap on Connections. From here, just tap on Mobile Networks. And on this page, just make sure you enable VoLTE calls from your SIM cards. Now, if you have two SIM cards inserted in your smartphone, you will have the option of VoLTE calls on SIM card 1 and SIM card 2. In that case, just enable VoLTE calls on both SIM cards. Then tap on Network Mode and select LTE. Then go back to the main settings page. And from here, just tap on General Management. Then go to Reset. And on this page, just select Reset Mobile Network Settings. Then tap on Reset Settings and tap on Reset. Now, this option will not delete any data on your smartphone. It will only reset all the network settings on your Samsung phone. Now, if you have done that and if this did not fix your issue, then this could be a software glitch. To fix this issue, just open Settings, then tap on Software Update. Then go to Download and Install and check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your Samsung phone. Now, if you have done all that and if this did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with your smartphone. Just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix network problems on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.